Hello, I'm Jay the Shark with your Phuket breaking weather news update. Now, yesterday there was a little bit of rain around and there was some flash flooding. And today there's still some rain around and there's still some flash flooding. But don't panic just yet. You've got nothing to panic about. This happens during rainy seasons and we do get a lot of flash flooding. It generally lasts for a little while, and once the rain stops, the flooding does go away. However, saying that, we do have some advice for you. Good? Right, make sure you listen then, because here comes the advice. So, it might not be a good idea to go to any of the night markets on a day like this, generally because a lot of the market stall people come on motorbikes, which means they can't make it. And if it's like this market, as you can see behind me, there's only 1 or 2 vendors there. Maybe stay safe and stay at home. You go to the night markets tomorrow, or the next day, or the day after that. It doesn't matter. Whoop. So, if this is your last day in Phuket and you're leaving, sorry to see you go, and I hope you had a fabulous time. But if you are leaving today, maybe leave for the airport a little bit sooner than normal, because the traffic on a day like this is going to be pretty bad. Oh look, airport. So as I said, if you are going to the airport, make sure you give yourself plenty more time. In fact, if you're going anywhere because you have to, then make sure you give yourself plenty of time. Otherwise, you get stuck in that. That's right, traffic, and lots of it on a day like this. Not just there, look, behind me too. So, if you're going out anywhere, give yourself more time. So, one of the other things you want to make sure you do is stay hydrated. Yes, it's not sunny, but you can still get dehydrated over here in this weather. You might not think it, but trust me, you can. And drink bottled water, because you don't want to drink in the tap water. Not really drink the tap water anytime in Phuket, but especially when it's raining. All right, good, be hydrated. Woo. Now, maybe today's not the day to go out exploring. Maybe it's a good day to go into a bar. Maybe have some hummus. Or maybe a cheeky pizza. Up to you. When it's flooding, just go and relax and chill. Best thing. Ooh, maybe I should go and do that. So, there you go. What to do when it's flooding and raining in Phuket. Hope that helps, but you can still enjoy yourself. Don't be down with the little drops of sunshine that are falling from the sky. Go for a nice walk. Don't go swimming in the sea, of course, but go for a nice beach walk in the rain. It's lovely. Or do what I'm doing. Come to the park like this and then walk in bare feet in the mud. Look, squelchy mud. When was the last time you walked in squelchy mud? Isn't it fun? Could go for a swim in that lake. Maybe not. Anyway, there you go. I've been Jay the Shark and that's been your Phuket breaking news update. Stay safe, be good, like and subscribe. And if you are a bit bored, go and watch the rest of our videos. There's some cool stuff on there. Right, shall I go for a swim? No, I might go do some knee slides. Cool knee slides! Yeah, baby! Like and subscribe! Thanks for watching!